Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Show, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. Hello, Mia. It's great to be back.
It's great to have you, Liam, and it's wonderful to see all of you joining us today. So, Liam, imagine this. You're feeling hungry. You're in an English-speaking country, and you walk into a beautiful restaurant. What happens next?
I need to order food, but sometimes it's a bit scary. I know how to say I want a pizza, but maybe it's not very polite or natural.
That's a perfect lead-in, Liam, because today we're going to learn how to order food naturally and politely at a restaurant, just like a native speaker. No more, I want a pizza. We'll make you feel confident and comfortable.
Really? That sounds amazing. I always feel a little robotic.
Not anymore. Let's start right from the beginning. When you first enter a restaurant, what's often the first thing the staff will ask you?
Do you have a reservation? Or how many people? Booked a table. That's good. And if I don't have one?
Exactly. Very good. So, if you have a reservation, you can say, yes, I have a reservation under the name, your name, or I booked a table for 2 at 7 p.m.
Booked a table. That's good. And if I don't have one?
Then you can say, no, we don't. A table for 2, please, or just for 1, please. Very simple. Let's try a quick role play. I'll be the host.
Okay.
Welcome to the Cozy Bistro. How many in your party today?
Hi. No, we don't have a reservation. A table for 3, please.
Perfect. See? Much more natural. And a question for everyone watching. Have you ever felt nervous when first entering a restaurant in another country? Let us know in the comments.
I definitely have. Okay, so what's next?
Once you're seated, usually the waiter or waitress will come over and ask, are you ready to order? Or, can I get you something to drink?
What if I need more time? I always feel pressured.
Don't worry, it's completely normal. You can politely say, could we have a few more minutes, please? In English, using could is very soft and polite.
Could we have a few more minutes? Got it.
Now, when you are ready to order, this is where many learners get stuck. Instead of I want, we have much softer, more polite ways. The most common is I'll have, which is short for I will have.
I'll have... Oh, like I will have the chicken.
Exactly. Or I'll have the pasta. Another great option is, could I get the... So you could say, could I get the steak?
So I'll have the pasta, please. Or could I get the steak, please?
Yes, perfect. Let's try another short role play. I'll be your waiter.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Good evening. Yes, I'm ready. I'll have the fish and chips, please. And could I get a glass of water, too?
Fantastic, Liam. That was perfect. Okay, a fun question for our viewers. What is the first meal you would order using I'll have? Tell us your dream meal in the comments below.
Ooh, I like that question. For me, I'll have the biggest pizza you have.
A great choice. Now, sometimes you might want to ask a question about the menu. For example, what's in the dish name? Or is it spicy?
Oh, that's so important. I don't like very spicy food.
Exactly. Or if you have a dietary restriction, you can say, is this dish vegetarian? It's good to be clear.
That's very helpful. I feel like I'm learning so much already.
I'm so glad. And for everyone watching, if you are finding these phrases helpful and want to see more lessons just like this one, please take a quick moment to give this video a thumbs up and a hype. It really helps our channel grow and lets us know what you like to see.
Yes, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We wouldn't want you to miss our next lesson. Now, what's next, Mia?
Next is customizing your order. Maybe you don't want onions in your salad. You can say, could I have the salad without onions, please? Or if you want something extra, could I have extra cheese on my pasta?
So without for taking something away and extra for adding something.
Precisely. Or you might be asked how you want your steak cooked. I'd like my steak medium rare, please. There's rare, medium, medium well, and well done.
Wow, so many options. Here's a question for our friends watching. How do you like your steak? Or is there a food you always ask to customize? Share with us below.
Great question, Liam. Now, after you've enjoyed your delicious meal, what's the last step?
I need to pay. So I need the bill or the check? I'm confused.
Don't be. Both are correct. Bill is more common in British English, and check is more common in American English. You can say, "Could we have the bill, please?" or "Could I get the check, please?"
Could we have the bill, please? That feels right for me.
Perfect. And if you're with friends, you can ask, "Can we split the bill?"
That is maybe the most useful phrase for me. And for our global family watching, we have a question. In your country, is it more common to say bill or check? Or do you have a completely different word? We would love to learn from you in the comments.
What a wonderful question. Okay, one final quick practice. The meal is over. How was everything for you today?
It was delicious. Thank you. Could we have the bill, please?
Excellent, Liam. You made it through the whole restaurant experience like a pro.
I feel so much more confident now.
That's the goal. Let's quickly summarize the key phrases for everyone. A table for number, please. Could we have a few more minutes, please? I'll have the dish, please. Could I get the dish/drink, please? Could I have this without ingredient? Could we have the bill/check, please?
These phrases are so practical. They make me feel ready to go to a restaurant right now.
And you are ready. Thank you all so much for joining us on Everyday English Show today. We loved having you.
If you found this lesson useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson. And make sure to hit that notification bell.
Your support means the world to us. We'll see you very soon. Keep practicing and stay positive. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.